Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a bird. A keen-eyed bird of prey known for its exceptional hunting skills and agility. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as hawk. Hawk. Feel the sound of letter O in between. Hawk. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as hawk. Hawk. Feel the sound of letter A in between. Hawk. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about hawks, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.